We're here at Alton Towers. We're by the Smiler. Let's see what's inside. Where are we at?
By the Smiler.
Right, so what have we got?
Oh,
New merch. Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it?
yeah.
Oh, they took the fit. Oh, that's like
Like fairy, yeah. £55 that one is.
It's not too bad.
That's nice, isn't it? It's
Yeah,
like,
that is
it's
nice.
like simple but really nice.
Again,
And then you've got
embroidered.
stitching at the back.
Well done, Towers. Well done.
You're looking at about 60 quid for that one.
60. We have said the prices have gone up a little bit this year.
Yeah, it's understandable because they've embroidered everything, so you're expecting it.
It's going to cost more to make, isn't it, to be honest?
It definitely
That is nice, actually.
That's really smart.
Quite like that there.
Yeah.
Stand out in a crowd.
You definitely would, and we really like that top, don't we?
I like that top. I've got a list. We've both got a list. We've been around the shop, so make sure you do stay tuned on the channel, guys.
Yeah.
We don't know what we want, do we? So we'll have to have a look. Yeah, but we got the Towers cap here. Towers got a Smiler cap even.
Yeah.
We saw that in Towers Trading, didn't we?
Yeah. Oh, that's reversible.
Well, that's pretty cool.
That's smart, isn't it?
Did they have the bucket out last year? I can't quite
Yeah,
remember.
they did have the bucket out last year.
I didn't know we got that.
To Glastonbury, we would have got one.
Yes, but we didn't, did we? Well, we're not going. Well, it was resale, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, ha 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 ha.
Yeah,
That's
cool.
Glastonbury laughing at us.
Yeah, it is.
Moving swiftly on back to the Smiler.
Yeah, that's nice and like simple, isn't it? But it's all embroidered.
It is,
It's so
isn't
good.
it? I think they had that last year
Yeah,
as well.
I'm sure they
And
did.
the Smiler shirts.
I really like the Smiler shirt.
It says pretty nice, isn't
Like
it, to be
you
honest?
said, it looked good in the hotel.
It would, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Going out in the roller coaster restaurant for the evening and then back to the Dragon Bar. See, we know what the terms are now, don't we?
Yeah, because we've been in there.
Yeah.
And that's the same one.
Is that the same one? Oh, and you got the scarves. I do like the scarves, to be fair. And the gloves. Keeps you nice and warm. You'll need them at fireworks.
Yeah, you definitely do.
And you like these storage boxes, don't
Yeah,
you?
I do, but I wear things too small for them.
Our cubes. If you've seen any of our streams or videos before, you might have noticed we've got a bit of a thing behind us.
Yeah,
And
but they're just a bit too big. It's
yeah,
such a shame.
so we
They're
need a
never
bigger
good.
one.
Yes,
we do. And do you want that space opera? I said I'd get that if that was big, you know. Like if that was full-size space opera, I'd actually get that.
Yeah, but I might pop that if I sat on it.
We could bounce all the way across to 13 on it, couldn't we?
Could bouncing back all the way over to Wickham when you're at the end of the day and you want to jump on it.
Yeah, boing, you get there quicker, won't it? We've had to run in a couple of minutes, haven't we?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, and posters as well there.
Yeah.
Oh, the bears are still here though, aren't they? Oh, and the pyramids. We saw these, haven't we? They're like Rubik's Cube pyramids things.
Yeah, and same with this one.
That was quite good, that was. You were like a cool kid.
Yeah, I am cool.
You are cool. Well, yeah, that's pretty cool. That is cool, actually, that whole thing. And you like this cool. Oh, what's that?
They've got a coaster.
Ooh.
That is really nice. £6.
£6 for that, some of the prices there,
The
guys.
cup is so trippy, isn't it, though?
Yeah, it is a bit weird, isn't it?
It's like a teacup.
It's a bit like chip. Like 3 chips.
It's like three
Like from
chips.
Beauty and... Yes, yeah, I've seen Disney stuff.
Yeah. Oh, that's new.
Smile always. You belong to the Smiler.
I do, yeah.
Yeah, you do. I belong to Reborn. In the back?
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark?
Yeah, I think that's really good for about 20 quid.
That's not too bad. It's big enough to fit your pack luncheon and things, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if you just want to fit your power bank or your phone or something in, you've got that. Or your wallet. Oh, have.
Trash in the place.
Come on, you'll have to buy that now.
And then the fake loungefly.
Yeah, you quite like that, don't you, to be
Yeah,
honest?
I think it's really, really cute. It's got Smile Always on the back, and then it's all printed inside.
That's very nice.
I think that's ace for
And-
£25.
Whether you're saying it being like a loungefly, it says like looks like leathery things. It'd be a bit better in the rain, I'd have
Yeah,
thought
I
as
would
well.
have thought so, yeah.
We know what Staffordshire is like, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
We've got similar kind of hoodies here.
Yeah,
And that's a
that's
that's a
smart.
nice top.
that is embroidered.
That's embroidered. That's the one I do like from the Smiler top in the range. I do
Me
think.
too. And they've got these, like,
Avril Lavigne tops, we're gonna call them.
Yeah.
Skater boys.
Skater boy, this is what I used to wear back in the day when I was into,
Avril Lavigne
Skater
and
face.
Busted
Yeah.
and who else was?
Loving
Yeah.
We have got the socks if you want dress ups. They're the long ones.
They're the long ones. We know a lot of people do like dressing in Smiler outfits
Yeah,
and
they
make
do.
their own kind of things. So definitely, yeah.
Really good. That one's nice, isn't it?
Because I think they had that one last year. You belong to the Smiler, and they've got the lanyards as well.
Yeah.
And the men
And
things
these
there.
are the teeny sort of
The teeny tiny Smiler belongers. The under 1.4s.
Yeah.
That still belong to the Smiler.
Yeah, they will always belong to the Smiler.
And they got the duvet.
Yeah.
double. You've got a king size one?
No, they've only got single and double by the looks of it.
No, no.
So,
Mind you, it's a bit bright as well, isn't it, to be honest?
Yeah,
Be able to sleep with that. You know what I mean? All you'd be able to hear is
scary. Oh, they've got those.
oh, smiler pot phone grips. Well, that,
I didn't rate that.
That wasn't us, no.
That. But yeah, you belong to the Smiler patch. That is absolutely wicked.
yeah, so we've seen a few of the patches and different phone grips and things, so it's a bit of a new, different kind of range of merch.
Yeah.
And I think the phone grips are like £3.
Yeah,
The
£3.
Nemesis ones are.
Yeah.
That's a bargain if you get your annual pass discount on that.
60p, so it makes
£2.40.
Bargain, really.
You can't get one from B&M actually.
No, you can't.
No. And they've got some pins here.
Yeah, the Smiler.
The
oh,
Smiler.
That was cool. It's the train.
Is that like the new range? Like one of the new ranges?
Oh, it's
2024.
Oh, that's cute.
That's definitely a new one there.
And this one. That's a pen.
That's nice
I never
as well.
saw that last year.
I didn't see that one. I think I saw this one last year.
Yeah. I don't know what these things are. We saw them in the Nemesis shop, didn't we? And I'm
don't
not
get
sure.
it.
Does it light up or I have no idea.
Does it LED bracelets, £5?
Oh, so it must light up then.
Yeah, it must do. Looks good though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks really good.
We didn't quite know how it works though.
No.
Let us know in the comments, guys.
It looks pretty cool.
And some of the usual stuff that they had before, these little kind of bits,
Yeah,
little
like
quirky
this,
little
that
gifts. You seem to have a few little quirky different things for different shops and rides, don't they, to be honest?
Cool.
Yeah, nice, good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just looking up just to see if there's anything.
Oh, look, you're on camera.
I've just
Multiple cameras.
noticed.
What?
The lights are CCTV like in the
Yeah.
room. I never noticed that ever before.
You never noticed that? No? Yeah, that's it. You're on camera. Loads of them. 14 different ones. Oh, loads of merch in there, wasn't there?
Yeah, some really cool bits. I'm loving that Smiler bag.
Yeah, there's loads of new range this year. Looks all fresh. Loads of things to spend our money on.
Yeah, and I think that they've done a really good range where they've done some cheaper items, so it gives everybody the opportunity to buy something.
Everyone can take something home.
Yeah.
A little bit of Towers magic.
Yeah.
But if you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you again soon.